Forget about everything you know about product photography. None of this shot required an expensive camera or a photo studio to complete. Unlike the fake AI looking image that you have probably seen before, in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create realistic and aesthetic image for your brand. This is the photo studio. All the magic happens in one simple screen. On the bottom is the control panel. First, let's start choosing a product. In this demo, we'll use a sofa. Next is the scene options. There are two ways to create a scene. And my favorite way is to create with a reference image. How it works is that the system in the background automatically pick up the style and compositions from the reference image and create a similar vibe, background, environment for the product photos to go in. I really liked this because I don't have to manage all the prompting. Here, we can change the setting for the generation models, but we're gonna leave it as default for now and click generate. It will take about a minute to create the scene and we will fast forward here. Here we can see two variations of result has been created. Let's open one of them and inspect the results. From here, I usually edit the scene a few times and fine-tune the details with the editing features until I'm fully satisfied. What is really cool is that we can store a result that we like as a scene and reuse it over and over again for other products. And simply just click saving icons at the bottom of this card to save it, give it a name. Now, to show you what I mean by reusable scene, let's create some images with this scene with other products. Here, I pick another two sofa and using the scene that we have created in step 1. As you can see, the result generated with the two new product background stays consistent. I find this feature quite useful as we want to keep the product page in e-commerce store in the same theme or style, else the feed will look messy. And here are all the images that we have created in this video. If you want to try it out yourself, click the link in the description and get started for free. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.